Good morning there, Taz. Are we going to go for a workout? Are we going to go for a run? Are we going to go for a run? Are we going to go for a run? Chris, of course we are. Off we go then. Off we go. Whoa! I'm so excited. How can you be excited? It's wet. Chris, follow me, follow me. Here I go. It's Monday. I love Mondays. You love Mondays, do you? Oh, you gotta be excited. You gotta be excited. Taz, Chris, I'm listening. Keep talking. I'll keep running. Off we go. Off we go. Where you going? Where you going? Come back. Taz. Happy Monday. Come on, Taz. Yeah, zoomy.